What's up, guys? Unknown Souls Kicks here, back again with another video. Geeked up, sneaked up, sneaked up, geeked up. Finally got an early review for you guys. Alright, guys, here we go. The first shoe we're gonna look at today, I guess they're calling this shoe the Jordan 1 Wash Black. I'm not sure what the proper name of it is, but I will have it in the description. So we're going to go ahead and call this shoe the Jordan 1 Wash Black. And the colorway reads Retro High, Black, Fire Red, and White. I was actually able to copy it in my size. Let's go ahead and have a quick detailed look at the shoe. Okay, guys, as you guys know, I am a sucker for the box. I feel like if you're going to give us a non-OG colorway or something different that Jordan brand and Nike has never did before, I'm super excited and stoked. I like this box. Instead of the basic Jordan 1 box, it's full of detail, and it has the wash black, smoke gray outlook to the box. Guys, let me know what you think about the box, because the box does matter. On top of the fact, what I was thinking about doing is doing a little box review. Again, this is the 1985 Jordan 1 OG. And I mean, the box is different. It has black specks all over the box with a smoke gray outlook to it. So guys, let's go ahead and get into this review. This is actually my first time seeing the shoes as well. So let's go ahead and see what's popping. Alright, guys, here is the Jordan 1 Wash Black. As you guys know, roughly a few weeks ago, they came out with the Jordan 1 Wash Pink. So I guess they trying to keep the trend going. The only thing that I can say, I'm not going to spend too much time talking about the shoe, but the only thing that I can say is I think Jordan brand could have did without the actual cell colorway. But like I said, I know they're trying to go with the same trend of the Hyper Royals, the Turbo Greens, and the Wash Pink. But I think that I just don't want them to overuse the age cell colorway on the bottom of the shoes, because I do think that that is a great idea. But guys, I just wanted to show you a quick pickup. Like I said, I've been working on different endeavors, and sorry I could not get this review out to you quicker, but I will do an in-depth review on this Jordan 1 Wash Black. Alright, guys, here we go. The shoe of the hour, Yeezy Boost 350 Carbon Beluga. Yes, I will go into in-depth review on this shoe because we have a lot to talk about, guys. I'm really not feeling this shoe, but we have a lot to talk about. So I picked this shoe up. It shipped fairly quick. I am noticing the size difference. It does look a tad bit smaller. So yes, guys, this is another pickup. This is another pickup. The Yeezy Boost Carbon Beluga. So we basically can say the Yeezy Boost 3.0. Alright, guys, I actually think that I'm digging this 350 Onyx colorway more than the Carbon Beluga. This is more of a clean, stealthy colorway. I like the difference and the different pattern that they actually put on this 350 versus the original 350 black. So guys, again, we will get into more depth review. This was another pickup that I picked up on Yeezy Day. I'm sure everyone is familiar with the Yeezy slide. Guys, I was kind of wondering, I was hoping, I will do a compare and contrast, because to me these shoes look a little more gray. Really wondering, like, is this color a tad bit different? Again, I will do a compare and contrast between these new slides and the actual Onyx colorway. Another package. Ooh. What is this? What is this? I have no idea. Whoa. This is crazy. Whoa. This is one of the coolest unboxings. Whoa. Whoa, guys. This might be the unboxing of the hour. Wow. My receipt. Put that up there. Whoa. Whoa. What is it? Okay, let me put this paper back. Wow. Guys, this is super dope. This is super dope. Wow. This is nice. I got some stickers, you know, guys. I love my stickers. I love the stickers. I don't even want to open the box. I don't even want to open the box. Wow. This is crazy. This is dope. Okay. You remember Bad Bunny? Okay. Okay. Wow. This made my day. Wow. Nice bag. Handle with care. Wow, this is so nice. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Now, how much did I pay for these again? Whoa. Good luck. Yes. Good luck. Dude. Dude, they're supposed to come out. I have no idea. Okay, these are the additional laces. They also have good luck on them. Yes, I will do an in-depth review on these. I will do an in-depth review on these. Yes. Guys, let me know what you think about those. Let me know if all their products come just like this. Let me know, guys. Wow. I got one more. It's no big deal, but I got one more. Alright, guys, it might not be nothing to y'all guys, but I was finally able to get my hands on a pair of Supreme Air Force Ones. I've been trying to catch my size, I know, for over a year now, and still hasn't been able to catch my size, so I had to, guys. Yes. So this was another pickup. Yeah, I like it. I like the extra laces. Yeah, I probably won't be doing a review on these, but this is a size 11. I will put these shoes up for auction. They will be up for auction. Size 11, Air Force One Supreme. Hey, where's my sticker? Oh no, my sticker right there. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I just wanted to have a quick unboxing for you guys to show you some shoes that I picked up, guys. Let me know. I will have a full in-depth review on the Yeezys as well as the Jordan 1 Wash Pink, guys. Thank you for watching. Time is something that you can't get back, but you spend time watching my video. Guys, Unknown Souls Kicks, geeked up, sneaked up, geeked up, and we out. Peace.